Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, HBK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest updates around the world.
Meitei women group buys drone from money collected through forceful donations, hands over drone to Aram by Tangle. A group of Meitei women whose video recently went viral for imposing forceful donations along the highway have brought a drone from money they collected from the people, which includes the Naga community. The women group handed over the drone to the Aram by Tangle recently, and the video has surfaced again on social media. In the video, it is seen that the same lady whose video had earlier gone viral for collecting money from a Naga guy is seen holding a drone and stating that they had collected the money to buy the drone. In the previous video, the Meitei lady had intercepted a Naga man riding in a four-wheeler and forcefully told him to donate a minimum of 50 rupees. Even though the Naga guy said he came from Impul after undergoing an operation, the lady asked the man to donate 50 rupees as a minimum amount, to which the Naga guy was also forced to comply. As everyone is aware, the drone is meant to be used as a tool and a guide for the Aram by Tangle and the valley-based insurgent groups in attacking the Kuki-Zo villages and the volunteers. The Meitei women would preach for peace in front of the media, but their actions such as purchasing drones for Aram by Tangle or the Vigs is not a sign of someone seeking peace. It is worth mentioning that the Kuki-Zo village volunteers in a few incidents have shot down drones used by the Aram by Tangle and the Vigs, which were used in conducting surveys of the Kuki-Zo villages and locations of the Kuki-Zo village volunteers.
Kasi manganak sure ba?
Manganak sure subuh bos.
Angan operation tahu lap ni.
Operation tahu kan ni. Aduh sudah 2004 50 dah hampir.
50 tahu yaad reh.
Nanti 100 mata tu sahaya berdua jadi sudah 50 boleh last pun hampir ba. Wah okey tahu pun minggu pada tu kau hati bukan.
Aku operation tahu kan nak pulang ni.
Oh cuma ba.
Ada yang kepiro. Asim ada di yarum kadi first tahu.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and also do comment in comment section below.